We'll guide you through how to edit your Wix mobile site to make sure it looks just as great on the go as it does on a desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your dashboard, find the website you want to edit and click on the Edit Site button. This will open the Wix editor. In the Wix editor, look at the top menu bar and you'll see a mobile icon. Click on this icon to switch to the mobile ZIW of your site. This is where you can see how your site will look on mobile devices. You might notice that some elements don't fit perfectly, so you need to adjust them here. You can drag and drop elements to reposition them, resize images and text boxes by clicking on their edges and dragging, and even hide certain elements that you don't want to show on mobile by clicking on them, then selecting the Hide on Mobile option. Remember that changes in the mobile view won't affect your desktop site, so feel free to customize it as needed. Once you've made all your changes, don't forget to click Save to ensure your progress isn't lost, and then Publish when you're ready for the world to see your updated mobile site. It's always a good idea to preview your site using a real mobile device to make sure everything looks just right. And that's it, you're all set. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.